This is a great, I hesitate to say little subject, because this lock and the castle, it's a big view, it's a big painting really, and I've chosen to do it half imperial. I would suggest you do download the larger tracing and do it half imperial, because to cram all this into a little quarter-inch imperial sheet of paper, it can make it a little bit too busy. Something to really get your teeth into, because there's a lot of techniques in this. We've got this lost and found wet in the background. We've got this using brush strokes and the direction of the brush to describe the slopes and bumps and uneven nature of that distant hill there, and then we contrast all that with the sharp detail done with very fine brushes to bring that out on the building itself, and good use of colour, good contrast of warm glowing colours and cooler colours more for the middle distance and background. It's one really, if it works out well, I'm sure you're going to want to hang it on your wall.